Salam. Today, we will be studying Chapter 2, 2.7, Class 11 Statistics, according to PTB syllabus. Today's lesson is all about bivariate frequency distribution. It is actually a continuation of scatter plot from the previous lecture. A bivariate frequency distribution is the constructed frequency distribution, considering two variables at a time. The pair of observations are taken into account while constructing a bivariate frequency distribution. Let's study using an example. Suppose we take the marks of students of maths and science into consideration. This is the raw paired observations of the data. We take maths along x-axis and marks of science along y-axis. This is how we construct a bivariate frequency distribution table. Since the first and smallest pair of observations was 2, 3, we mark the tally mark in the first cell of the row and column. Similarly, the last one is 6, 8, hence its tally mark is placed at the cell where x equals 6 and y equals 8 intersect. We do the sample steps for each pair of observations. We can also get the totals at the end. Lastly, we also create a bivariate frequency distribution table with numbers like this. I hope you understood the concept for today. Don't forget to subscribe.